देखिए, this ruling government is a anti-women government. This government has to go. We all passed the bill, Mahila Reservation Bill, in 2023. Now it's became already a law. It is very much there in the constitution. Now we are demanding it, implement it now, immediately. We have 543 seats in the parliament. We are demanding in that 543 seat, give 33% to the women. Under that reservation, around 180 women will reach to the parliament, and they are stopping it. They are not giving the right to the OBC women. Why? This government is an anti-women government. This government is anti-OBC women government, and we are like force them to implement it. We defeated them in the parliament. Now we will defeat them on the roads.
Yesterday, PM addressed the nation, and he said that the Congress betrayed the people, especially women. So, how do you react on PM's address?
See, PM didn't do the press conference. Otherwise, I know media like you must question him that Congress already gave 73, 74 constitutional amendment, and 15 lakh women are in the local bodies because of Congress. So how he can say the Congress is a anti-women party? So he has nothing to say. And because of this election in Tamil Nadu, elections in Bengal, he called this a special session, and he got exposed. Now we will not allow it to continue.
Today in Bengal, Modi saying the Congress and the TMC, their play together is against the women's entering in politics, including MLA, MPs.
Ask Prime Minister Modi, Bengal elections are happening, right? How many women seats you gave? How many TMC and Congress gave? BJP is nowhere in that list in Bengal. Ask them in the All India, how many women's member of parliament they have according to their percentage, total MP in the BJP and the women, total MP in Congress, and the women of percentage. BJP is again at the bottom. So this is RSS and BJP is anti-women. They has to go now, and will defeat in the parliament. Now we'll defeat them on the roads.
Upcoming days, Mahila Congress.
No, this protest will go across country. Women will come out on the roads, and believe me, they will implement. They have to implement, and they will implement this women reservation bill in this parliament.